Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys read by the title, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this very simple, easy, quick crochet hairstyle that'll take you less than 2 hours. This tutorial is beginner friendly and it's super in-depth. I'll be using crochet hair from YGWigs, which is one of my favorite brands to use. Thank you so much YGWigs for sponsoring this video. Before we hop into this video, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Know that I love you, God loves you. And so let's just hop into this video. YGWigs sent me a total of 5 packs, and that's all you're going to need for this hairstyle. I'm using a 22-inch Burmese curly hair with spiral end. I'll have the direct link to this hair down below. It comes with clips, an edge brush, and a comb. It doesn't come with a crochet needle, so make sure you guys have a crochet needle because that's the main tool that you'll need for this hairstyle. I'm starting off by braiding my hair into a total of 8 cornrows total. My braids aren't neat and perfect because I am going for a more natural look. I've worked with YGWigs a couple of times, and some things that I really love about this brand is that it's 100% human hair and it's super soft, bouncy, and shiny, and it doesn't shed a lot. Those are some things that I really love about this hair. 10 out of 10, great quality. But now I am about to set up my hair just so I can make this process much more effective and quicker. I think that you guys should really invest in this braid holder because it makes your life so much easier. These curls are super beautiful. It's so bouncy, and I'm super excited to see the finished result. Okay, so my hair is all set up and I'm all ready to go. This process, as I stated earlier, it's super easy. First things first, you're going to grab your crochet needle and place it in between your braid. Then you're going to grab a piece of hair. You're going to place the hair onto the crochet needle and then close that latch. You're going to pull the hair through. When you're pulling it through, you're going to make sure to hold one piece of the hair just to make sure that the crochet is secure, because if you don't grab one of the pieces, it's just going to fall out of your hair. Once your crochet hair is in, now you're going to secure it by tying it like a knot. And don't worry, I'll show you guys how to safely and properly take these crochet pieces out, because if you're like me, I am a beginner friendly type of girl. Before I learned how to crochet my own hair, I used to always wonder how exactly do these people take out their crochet pieces. Now that I have an idea, I've done crochet hairstyles multiple times this year. It is very easy and super simple to take it out, but that's really the tutorial. I'm going to repeat these same steps all over my head. To make the process much more quicker, instead of just crocheting one piece of crochet hair, I'm grabbing multiple crochet pieces and putting it on the crochet hook, and I'm going to use that same technique. I'm going to make sure that I have one piece of the hair in my hands and pull the other piece through just so it's nice and secure, and then after that I'll tie it. But just to show you guys, this isn't just one piece, this is like 3 pieces. And so I'm gonna grab my crochet needle, place it inside of the braid, place the crochet pieces onto the hook, close that latch, pull through, and like I said, make sure to hold one piece while you also pull the other piece. Next, I'm just going to secure that by tying it, and there you have it. Let's continue on this process. I am all finished with my hair. This took me about 2 hours because I was stopping and going, and I literally just ate about 30 minutes ago. But I'm going to get all cute tomorrow, so I'll just get ready with you guys, look my edges down, maybe put on some red lips and style my hair with you guys. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow to style my hair. This is how the hair is looking. Slay! I really love the outcome. I'm going to put some mousse, but this is how she's looking. So cute. I'm going to be using the rest of this mousse from Maine to tame my flyaways. Transparency moment. This isn't the next day. This is like 2 days or 3 days later, and I already got some compliments on my hair. So 10/10 recommend this hairstyle. This hairstyle took me a little bit longer because I was recording. If I wasn't recording, it wouldn't take me that long. The ends look a little bit dry, so I'm gonna go in with some mousse. Because like I said, this is 3 days later from the last clip. And if you guys have any further questions, definitely comment them down below and I'll definitely like respond to you. I'm not one of those influencers that don't read the comments. I definitely respond back. Like I said earlier, I work with YGWigs a couple of times before, and every single time I always love the quality. And something that I really love the most about this crochet hair is that you can literally reuse it, so you could keep using it over and over again until you get tired of this hairstyle. This is the final look. Y'all definitely let me know how you guys feel about this hairstyle. Let me know if you guys would do anything differently. This is a beginner friendly hairstyle. This hairstyle is super simple, it's super easy, and it don't take you that long. As I stated earlier, if you guys want that extra sleek look, definitely just do your braids tightly and also add pomade so it can look like neat and professional. But as I stated, I really love the natural look, and so I am satisfied with how my hair looks. This hair will also be linked down below so you can purchase it yourself. So if you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Know that I love you, God loves you, and we'll see you in our next video.